Back to my channel. My name is Shula. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. This channel is all about home decor, home organization, lifestyle vlogs. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a tour of my living room. And for my decor, I use colors. I know it's challenging to use colors when decorating. And some people just like the black, white, and gray or the neutral colors because using different colors, I understand, is quite challenging. But as an African, I love colors. I love all the bright colors you can imagine. I know people feel like decorating with colors is really difficult, but it's not. You just need to know you just need to start by choosing, three main solid colors that you want to go for. So my three colors, it's orange, blue, and brown. So these three colors are like the main colors I'll be using, but I also made use of neutral colors, and that is the fun of using colors, because you can also take advantage of neutral colors. So to successfully achieve a decor with colors, if you're someone who loves colors like me, start by choosing three colors, because if you use two colors, it's gonna be like matchy. So just try to throw in that third color in there. Like I mentioned, decorating with colors is not that difficult. Just start by choosing the three solid colors you would like to use and then work from there. So yeah, let's get into the tour. Hello again everyone. So I am going to take you through this tour, and again, I am not done decorating yet, but I just want to share with you how far I've gone. So once you get walk into my living area, this is how it looks like. You have this side table right here. And of course, you have these two accent chairs. I had shared where I got them from. I have a video on that. If you are interested to know how much and where I got them from, just go ahead and check that video. And above these accent chairs, we have the mantle. I'm going to share with you how that looks like towards the end of this video. So the life of this house is the accent wall. So in my previous video, I already shared with you guys my accent wall, how I DIY'd this accent wall, what I use, and where I got them from. So please check out that video. And this DIY project was really inexpensive and fun. So let me know what you think about the accent wall, because I was thinking of putting some scone lights on both ends, but I changed my mind. So let me know. And I was also thinking of putting like a picture light over that TV. So let me know what you think. So let's go closer here. So right there I have the TV stand, and I'm going to share with you how I put this TV stand together and where I got it from in future videos. So this is what I have on the TV stand right now. So I really love this decorative wooden bowl. So I went ahead and put some words of encouragement in here: love, faith, hope, strength, dream, courage, peace, believe. Yeah, just to encourage me. I need a lot of encouragement, and whoever is visiting me and wants to be encouraged, I guess. So right here we have this pieces that I like this flower jar because it just embodies the colors of my decor, which is orange, blue, and brown. So as you can see, I love to get any of my stuff that I'm getting. I like to get stuff that have like storage area. So like right here I have some decor pieces stored in here. You know, I have that flower in there. I have these books right here. It's always good to decorate, you know, with books. It just kind of shows your personality when someone walks in, or when you're sitting in your living room and you need something to read. If you're tired of watching the TV, you could just grab a book and read. So on this side I have my CD player. That's where I play most of my workout videos. So, and here again underneath is more storage. So that is why I really love this TV stand, because it has enough room for storage. So that is how this area looks like. So let me know what you think about, you know, my accent wall. I'm thinking of painting like right here in between these woods a dark brown color. So let me know what you think about that. Or do you want me to just, or do you think it would look better just looking plain like this, or go ahead and paint it a dark brown color? So yeah, let me know. And on this side of the house I have this plant I got from IKEA. I had shared a video of some stuff I got from IKEA, and this plant was one of them. So I just love how the plant, the height of the plant, the vent is right there. So once the vent is blowing air to the leaves, it feels like I'm outside. So I just love seeing the leaves and the branches move. So this is how the tree looks like, and I just love the detail of the tree because of the bamboo. As you can see in there, there's some bamboo decor in there, and this is a fake tree, by the way, so it's not real. And then I got this roller just for height. This basket I think was from Ross, and I also got this roller right here. I can easily move this plant around. I got that from Ross. This is really nice for this area. So this area is missing a side table, which I'm going to be putting that together here in a little bit. But I have my blanket there. So for my window curtains, I am looking at different places where I could really get some really nice curtains. I don't know why this video is dark over there, but I'm gonna try IKEA, and then I'm gonna share that process with you. So moving on to my coffee table, I really love this coffee table because of the various details it has. So I got this, well, I am also having a video that I'm going to be sharing with you in the future where I got this coffee table from. I can tell you it was really inexpensive, and I'm going to share how I put it together. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. A funny story about this book right here. So I went, grocery shopping in Walmart, and then I was at the book aisle. I saw this Gucci Mane Guide to Greatness. So I started reading it, and next thing you know, it's in my cart. So it is so interesting. Yeah. So the decor on this table is really simple. Like I just got this stuff from I think the Target dollar spot. And this is how it was. Tell me you have a child without telling me you have a child. Yeah, that. So this is how it came like, and then I just did this just for more height, and that looks different and more decorated for me. So for now, this is how this center table it's gonna be like until I do more about it. So yeah, let's keep going. So yeah, and that's my couch. Of course, I've had this couch forever. There's a long story behind that couch. Maybe I'll tell you some other day. So this area right here, that is the problem area. Like, I don't know what to do there. If I should put a bigger plant, because I'm seeing a lot of space in there, or put light. But I don't know, because on this table I'm planning to put like a lamp on this table right here. I just want something unique, which I'm still looking for. But this space right here, I think maybe for a bigger plant, I don't know. So yeah, let me know in the comment area what I should use that space for. Right there at the door are some side tables I got from Walmart, $10 each. So I'm gonna be putting that today. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like, because here needs a side table. Like whoever is sitting here just needs a side table, because the other end has one. So I went ahead and got brown tables, and they were only $10 each, really inexpensive. So that is why I got those. And yeah, so now let's go to another favorite spot of mine. It's right there, the mantle. So most of you, or maybe everyone watching by now, should know that I'm African. So on this mantle, it's a lot of pieces that reminds me of home. So to the right of this, so to my right here is our family photo. When I saw this piece, even though it was expensive, I had to get it because I have done this before, except I didn't have the baby. So it just reminds me of my old life, you know, when I used to carry stuff and sell around town. So this picture right here tells a lot of stories. So it just brings back memories, and I just love it, and I just love that it's right there. So these are some African decor. I got this from Ross. To me, they were expensive because I know how much this will cost in Africa. So yeah, and right here I have this drum. Reminds me a lot about Africa. It has the carving of an elephant right there. And this wooden candle stand, I'm thinking of putting some candles on those candle stands. And I also got this from Ross. And then I got this drum. So I got this drum from Amazon, which is really cool. Reminds me a lot of home. So this pieces right here just reminds me of home. So yeah, I kind of love how the mantle area looks like. So the carpet, of course, I forgot about the carpet. So this carpet I got from Wayfair. So I don't remember how much it was, but when I saw this carpet, I was like, this is what I'm looking for. So this is the tour of my living room. My decor is really basic for right now, but just stay connected and just see how I transform this house into a home. And also watch till the end of this video to see the side tables from Walmart. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to inspire you to get to decorating using different colors. If you love colors like I do, go ahead and decorate using color. Be unique and just let your decor reflect your personality. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you do not forget to click the like button and also the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.